Hello everyone, welcome back to our ICT class, and this is video number 17. Hope you all are fine and safe. So what all things you have studied in the last class? We have done an activity. The activity name is searching of information, and in that activity we have studied how to search an information related to a topic, the life mysteries in little chambers, which is the first chapter of our biology, and how we can search the topic through internet. What all preparations are needed? We need a computer connected to the internet. We should know where the information is stored in the internet, and also we need a browser. So how we can know where the information is stored? We can type the website address. You all will be knowing the website address. URL, a link will be there. When you type that link, when you type that website address in Google, like search, this is one of the search engine. If you type that website address, you will be getting a lot of information related to the topic. But where we will type this website address? Through different web browsers we can do like that. Some of the important web browsers are Google Chrome, Mozilla and Internet Explorer. And we studied about the web portals. I think I forgot to tell about the web portals. Web portals are the websites which act as ways to enter various websites related to a particular subject. If we want to enter to different websites, there are some portals, a way, that means it's a path which help us to enter to the various websites related to a particular topic. If I want to searching a particular topic, if I want to get that website related to that topic, there are different web portals which will be the which act as a path, or which act as a way to enter to that various websites. www.kerala.gov.in is a portal through which we can enter different sites of the government of Kerala. You all will be knowing that in different government sites, you all will be knowing. So for getting the different government sites, if you type the portal www.kerala.gov.in, you will be getting a lot of different websites related to the government of Kerala. So that web portal, that also we must discuss in that session, but I think I forgot. And next one we have discussed about web page. What are the web pages? When you type information in Google, you will be getting a lot of web pages related to that information. Web browsers, which I have already discussed, and also we have discussed about website address. So today we know all the basic things about what all things we need for searching our information in the internet. I hope you all know about that. So by using these all things, we are going to do one more activity, searching for images. In the last activity we have done searching the informations, but today we are going to do the activity searching for the images. So in the same way, how I can do that activity? I am going to open application. Either you can open the web browsers like application internet. You can see a lot of web browsers here, or by default you will be getting the icon of Mozilla Firefox here. So click here. You will be getting the Mozilla Firefox, this web browser you will be getting. So there I am going to type Google. So this is the important search engine, Google, through which we can find the informations. So here I am going to type a topic, cell. But the activity is, I need images related to the topic. I need the images related to this topic. So how I will be getting that? So when I am going to click here Google search. So here you can see a lot of options, images, books, shoppings, like that. So from here I am going to click on the option images. So you will be getting a lot of images related to the topic cell. You can see human cell, animal cell, plant cell, bird cell, like that. You can see a lot of different cells. You can see a lot of images related to the different topics. So I already told this Google is a search engine. You can see this Google is a search engine. Here you can see that We should know the address of the websites in which the images of the cells are stored. We must know the address, website address. For searching and informations, we know the website address, it is given. In the same way, for getting the images also we need a website address. Or we can search by using the topic. That means if I need the topics, images related to cell, I searched in the Google like cell. So I got the different images related to the cell. In this way, if we have the website address, particular website address if I have, I can type it there and you will be getting a lot of images related to that. These search engines means if the website address is not known, internet provides some other facilities to find out the information. These facilities are called the search engines. In the first activity, searching of the informations, they have already given the website address. So directly we can type the address over here. Directly we can type the site address over here. So in the first activity, what was the site address? This one. They have given the site address related to the topic. So we can directly type that website address. When I click on search, you will be getting directly you can get the home page of that website address. So sometimes we will not be knowing the website address of the topic which we are going to search. So we will be depend on different search engines, and that search engines includes Google, www.google.com. So here I am going to type www.google.com. So you will be getting a famous search engine which is known as the Google. So along with the Google, there are different other search engines which includes www.bing.com, www.duckduckgo.com, like that. There are different types of search engines in which is providing different this informations in a proper way. So this duckduckgo.com is somewhat a more secured search engine in which the parents also can get access. It will be in their control. So if you are searching some information through this search engine, these parents also will be having a control. Okay, in this way different types of search engines are available. Most commonly used search engine is Google. So we can open the Google like the www.google.com. So if I want to search an address, if I want to search a topic, if I am not having the website address, that URL address, I can use the search engine. So if I am searching that topic in search engines like Google, without delay, we will be getting the informations. From where we are getting the informations? All the informations are stored in World Wide Web. I already discussed in the last class. So these search engines will help us to find out without delay, exclusively the required informations, pictures, etc. from the huge information repository in World Wide Web. So here you can see this, open the web browser and type the address of a search engine in the address bar. So I already typed the www.google.com. So now I already got the search engine. Next, what they are telling, while opening the Google search engine, a window will be shown like this in figure 4.4. This is the window showing. After that, type the word cell in the search box of the search engine window. For getting the information from internet, it is enough to search by giving a related search word. So here I am going to type the topic cell in the search engine, cell. I am going to click on the Google search. You got different web pages, different informations, but what we need the images related to that. That is our activity. Now list of the websites which can contain the informations about the cells will appear in this way. In the figure 4.5, you get a lot of different web pages, lot of different websites related to that. But we need the web page, this images. So click on the images seen just below the search box. So you have seen various pictures displayed while clicking the images. You can see cells of different categories. In first row, different like plants, animals, like that. So here you can see I am going to click on the option images. You can see a lot of images related to the topic: human cell, animal cell, plant cell, like that. So all these images are free to access? If we want to download these images, all these images are free for us to access? No. Some of them will be paid, some of them need license, like that. Only few of the images will be free to access. Sometimes it will create copyright issues. Copyright issues means if these images will be developed or created or drawn by some other persons. So if we are taking this picture or image without their license, it will become problem. So in Google, different informations you will be getting, but mostly all of the informations will not be free for us. So here in this Google search engine itself, when you click on the option tools, you will be getting usage rights. When it's a drop down box, when you click here, the first one is of all. All means all types. Someone will be free, someone will be with license, like that. All the images. So here all the images, you can see the tick mark on all images. So in these images you will be getting the images which are free, which need the license, which are to be paid, like that. Second one is Creative Commons license. Creative Commons license means what you can understand. Those who have created this picture, we need the license. We need to write the name of that person, from when he have created, from which place, the name, all must be known and it must be written. It must be specified while we are downloading this image. That is known as the Creative Commons licenses. Third one is commercial and other licenses. For commercial purpose, if we are downloading the image, for commercial purpose we need the license. So these are the three types of usage rights that you can see related to the images. So I hope it is clear to all of you. So in the page number 55, you can see that Google search list. Here you can see the Google search list. Sorry, this one in figure 4.5. Next you can see the images. Here Google search list, here we take the option images. You can see a lot of images related to the topic. You have seen various pictures displayed while clicking on images. You can see cells of different categories. Can all these images seen on the internet be copied and used? No. We have discussed that. Some websites give us the right to copy the pictures, but some others do not. Certain others give us the right on certain conditions. With certain conditions, we can copy the picture. Okay. So the Google also provides the facility to search for the pictures which do not have the copyright. Some pictures will be creating copyright issues, some ones will have it. Okay. So here when I click on the usage rights, you can see you will be getting three options. So when you click here, it is of explaining of particular license. Okay, for commercial purpose we need the license, that is of third one. Second one is of if it specifies the creator's name, their details, you can download the image, like that you can see. So after that, if you want to save the image, right click here, you can see save link as, save link to project, view image, copy image, save image as. So that is about the last step. Click on the required picture and open it. There right click on the mouse and select save image as from the menu and save the picture for further use. If you want to use it for further, we can do like that. So how we can do that? Right click on this picture, you can see a lot of options. From this, when you click here, you can save this image. They will be asked where we have to save the image. If you want to save it in downloads or desktops, we can do like that. After that, we can use it for the further process. So I hope it is clear to all of you. So this is the activity which we have discussed today. So just we have done an activity of searching the images through internet. So if we are not having the website address, we can search the topic through different search engines like Google, Bing, like that. Okay, the www.bing.com, www.google.com, like that. So through that we can search the informations. If you want the images, you can select the images option from there. You will be getting a lot of images. From there we can download the images based on, some will be free, some will be based on different license, some will not be downloaded. Some we need that means some pictures will be there, we can't download from the site. Some will create the copyright issues also. So that also we have studied. From the tools options, we go on to the usage right. From there we find out the different license and different features. So I hope it is clear to you. Those who are having computer, practice, try that activity of searching the images. If you have any doubt, you must ask me in the Google Meet. Thank you. Bye.